me I no go join and do am. And me I no want make him do that the habit. So the habit go change. If you want make him follow me for my own habit, if you no want make him go his own way.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now Bobo's Yarn una dey watch. And the matter we dey talk about today now say if you get partner, we get one particular habit. We be say the habit you not too like am, but he can tell you he wants me you join them, they do that habit. And the habit go strengthen our relationship. You go join them. Now I talk of something about my husband. We like to cook. We like to enter kitchen 24/7. But the wife said no to like him. Even in spare time, he like to enter kitchen. Let's bake. Let's do this. Let's do that. If you be the wife, you go join or you go just try see how
That's
you go take.
That's a very good habit. You know? It's a very good habit that that the wife should be happy to. Yes,
that. It's a good habit.
It's a very good habit.
I've already piled up bad habits because the second one I want to come.
Throw am yeah, okay.
No, let's go.
It's this internet fraud.
Oh,
Yahoo.
Okay.
Because as it is now, most couple they do them together now.
Because
meanwhile, the first time, now just the guy, now mainly the guy, you understand? But the woman doesn't say, now what thing this guy they do to, you understand?
And the money they come.
And the money they come. I know most time the guys, they be, let me tell you how one even did now. The guy, we go wedding for Benide with us. He can't they call in wife for house. They answer how far. Can't they give her because she did the walk. She did lab because they call her walk. Understand? So he call her and say, what you do?
How you know all this?
You walk today.
They call her.
Because my guy, see me, I the one kind of person will say if they mingle with people. It not take me like 10 minutes. I will read you pack.
Okay.
Especially if you person with the whole cash, where they burn cash. You understand? I'm not gonna ask you, but man, if your conversation 1, 2, 3, I don't know. So this guy, now Yahoo guy, as they call him, you understand? You call the guy say, wait. You don't work today, so you understand? Work. They call the answer. It's okay. You say you go text something to her. That number, then go say I go text her to you now. It's a text her to you. Understand? That means the wife, they because you don't tell her say. See this thing like they bring back. I will be asked for some time. Don't feel carry nappy. They walk all the time. So you have to. You can't give her the point.
Do you know that most times, in this whole Yahoo business, no matter how much you want to do it, the guy they always work with one girl. Because you know, say most guys the front girl.
I believe say
the girl with the front now real person. Most times girls that go talk with you
now
on the phone. The fool wey won't fraud me, very big fool, and I said I'm going to say it out here. I'm waiting for the very day I'm going to say it out because I will expose her Instagram handle. I will expose that girl came and showed me live. That girl showed me. You see how many this girl showed me for New York. What are you telling me? See her out for New York, for Spain, everything. I even want the class. I don't want a gay. My birthday when you say will come December. She don't come December. It showed me, if you see machine with this girl, show me, I see car, I say, Jesus Christ, I want to drive this car. My head don't change. Now, if you give me any rubbish car, I go vex. That girl showed me house, see our house, talk about our children, everything where we go live. I can't see. My friend, they tell me, say, calm down before you go crazy. This girl now scam. I say, no now. But when I catch this girl, he say, oh, yeah, I'm with Skype now. You know one Skype. Me na IMO, when they call her. I download them by force. You know what do? He said, okay, I just want to surprise you. Since you don't believe me, go send me plenty pictures. Where you go see the girl. You go hear the voice, you understand? She can't speak English well. Maybe she live, I don't know now, they call her Spain, say them born as she go. She lived in Nigeria when she was 7. According to one thing. Oh yeah, say she'll come on my birthday to surprise me. Birthday now can't reach. You know, say we do my birthday on the 10th into 11th. In another 10th, she lands, according to her, she go land Nigeria. So she said, make I come airport. Her parents go there. Airport. I just come, greet and then follow and go her parents' house, make her parents see me. Then I will go. But I can't check her first. The time frame to go airport, can't go mainland, come back island for the birthday bash. You go there. Then I had small fear for my mind because I know what people feel do for you when you reach airport. You understand? You don't know what's in the one. Maybe if you reach there, I go say. There's something to pay for or something, you understand? They have many ways of making their money. So me man who come hungry go till today. She dey inform Vex say she come all the way. And I know won't come, I know if you can't see her, so I'm not a worthy person to even think
All the way
of settling from Spain.
Airport here, because you know come, you know if you find out.
So you now, you don't find your way till today to come show me face to face. Ali, prove me wrong. You understand? Say this is not. So guys are using girls, you understand, to do this whole thing. And the best girl you can use has to be someone that you are either cranking or making your partner, because you don't go expose you.
Somebody use his wife to you and your wife.
My brother, because you are not going to crank his wife. You are only giving your wife the wife money. Are using her face, and the guy feels safer. He feels safer because now your wife, you don't go expose her. You know understand? And money is tempting. When once the girl don't say, "Oh boy, see how much they made," the guy will like say, "I'm giving you 200K."
You know, say even at that self, I believe say we get men wey be saying they do very bad things. They defraud places for companies for this way. So we say their wives they into them.
You know, you are talking plenty. We go. Our politicians right now, I don't blame her. You know, say African women, naturally Nigerian women, we're very religious. So we know now we don't marry this man. Maybe you marry Ugo now when Ugo no be a politician. Then tomorrow they come become one, and most of them, all of them in fact, are corrupt. They are robbers. They steal for broad daylight. You can tell somebody they even use blood, human being, they do many things. How you think say their wife they manage inside the house? They know. They know say this is their husband, you understand? Now bad person. Now they don't see the signs, but they can't go out. They see the day there, they call them. They even crank their husband. And imagine how if I be babe, then my husband, now politician, who is the baddest corrupt politician for this life? Okay. Then I can't imagine I they crank him.
Okay.
What is worse than that?
Politics now. It don't bring me to my third one. This is not about two. This third one is kind of simple, small, but now still very bad habit.
No verse. May we hold this third one.
Okay.
Share with women them gas talk.
They gotta say something about this.
Maybe yes, it's your opinion. We they come back, not go anywhere.
No, I don't go join them. I go do them. I don't know whether that's a good thing or been a bad thing.
If you go make her happy and if the bad habit not too bad, we go feel kill person. I go do them if not too because they happy, you know wahala, go do them.
Some people they really like relationship where they go smooth. So as far as I love him, he love me too. And the thing will make our relationship go strong. I not go leave him for anything.
Yes. Una welcome back. Una don't hear what see them gas talk. Shakara, make we hear your point.
The third one, now telling of lies. You understand? Get some people na their hobby. You feel marry a very good girl, she know they lie. But you your own, you know just get straightforward.
If you marry, even if you like marry born again or pastor or woman with the pastor, and landlord work collect rent for house, and you never pay rent, you will go lie for your husband now.
No, some people don't be like that. So some go follow the man. You understand?
I like our ladies. I like that lady. That girl. Yeah. Majority of the women will follow their husband and support them. Yes.
Even let me tell you, sorry to say, it gets because some pastors don't be God call them. We get fake pastors.
Plenty.
So
and it's God.
So those fake ones now they talk about. I'm not talking about the men of God. You get some fake men of God who say they're going to preach. They'll talk lie testimony. They'll say, last week I was in my office. Somebody brought a check of 1 million naira and gave to me. And God bless me. Mama was there. Ask Mama.
The
woman go shock. You understand? But because now, husband be Papa. She go with her hand.
Do you know how many of the mamas when no say their husband a very bad guy, they beat him inside house or rest. But when he come outside, altar, you understand? Oh my God, can you make something lovely jewel? She having the diamond of the beautiful.
But why can't you? If now maybe woman, when the man say,
I was going to punish you. You are mad. Yes, now.
Because I imagine some of them inside their mind. As the man say, Mama was there. You go say, Jesus Christ. This fire one no one will make me marry this man will be pastor. Now this man will push me into
my brother. I don't get that again. When you, as a mama, when you hear your husband say that kind of thing, you know, say money they always come from this.
So it's
easy to.
That be everything that get talk now.
Say evil is evil. As long as evil when they bring money, it's easy to attract and blend somebody.
In one word, Shakara,
Oh, Bob, I tire. Go just go out.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry dey go.